Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so we have our baggies, we have our standard squishy and our pin, and we have our tweezers and our wax, our multi-placers, our tray. This is all standard stuff that you guys will see. And then you get your washi. That one's a pretty one. And right now we're still getting cover minders, so which is really fun. They're just fun to have. And so it's a dolphin, pink dolphin. Okay, so let's see what this painting is of. And oh, you guys, this is called Welcome Home by Cheryl Baker. Now, this just hit me. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Sorry. Sorry. This is Cheryl Baker. And it just, I don't know, for some reason, it just made me go, oh my gosh, I love this. It is a pumpkin house. It's a pumpkin house, you guys. It is so beautiful. So yeah, the pumpkin is covering the little mansion there. I don't know, guys. I just loved it. There's a dragonfly. It's so pretty. My husband is doing yard work and they're just going crazy. Okay. It's not that big. From what I've been unboxing lately, it's not that big. So, let's see. So I'm going to scoot you guys out, but you're going to see the other stuff I unboxed because I can't move because I'm on crutches. So I have to wait for my husband to come and move stuff out of the way for me. To take it out of here. Okay, so that is going to be, yeah, there we go. So we can see it. Here, oh gosh, you guys. So this is confetti, but also color blocking. It's like a nice mixture of both. So very, very nice. So I love it. Oh gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. It really is. And it's so small. It really, it's small. It has, oh, there went my crutches. 63. It has 63 colors. And let's go this way. Oh, look at that. So, there we go. See the dragonfly? Oh, and I think that says welcome. Oh no, what does that say? Well, no, it says welcome. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at the owl, you guys. You see the owl? Oh, wow. That is cool. I didn't even notice that one. Oh, look at the snail. This is a snail right here. This is just so, it's just so, like, fantasy. Oh, look at the bird, you guys. Look at the bird. Oh, these are how funny. These are things I didn't even see in the picture. Oh, yeah, there's the owl. Oh, it's beautiful. So pretty. Okay, let's get to the drills. That is just gorgeous. Look, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Dropping stuff, guys. Sorry. It sucks being on one leg. I got flamingo right now. Oh, I didn't even see. Okay, where's the paper at, you guys? Okay, so it has, oh wow. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ABs, you guys. I'm going to scoot you in now. Nope, wrong way. This way. There we go. It has 5 ABs, which is Aurora Borealis, which are very nice, beautiful. Oh, it makes it more even, makes it more shiny. And then we have, oh wow, let's see, we have one fairy dust, which is the Z. So, oh, so pretty, you guys. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, let's look. Where's my super suit? Let's see. $6.99. Okay, let's go this way. So, $6.99. We get 2 bags of those. 2 bags of $3.18. 2 bags of $4.14. Let me scoot all this stuff out of the way. What don't you like? But don't you like camera? Okay, oh, there's the AB one, 129. Let's get you in. That might help. Oh, there we go. 129. Isn't that beautiful? 523, 728, 3021, 522, 21, and 28. Oh, so pretty, you guys. So pretty. My leg is falling asleep. My one good leg. 469, 841, 646. You get 2 bags of 898, 317, 782. You get 2 bags of 415s. 2 bags of 762. No, you get 3. Oh, that's for the pumpkin. 762. 3781 and 938. Oh, so you get 2 bags of 938, which are the browns. Oh, there's your Z. So that's your fairy dust right there. Right there. 700, 371. And then there's your AB white. Oh, I love that AB white. And then you get 2 310s. Woohoo! 2 only. And they usually give you a lot of 310s because those have a lot of junk in them. 3782. Oh, you get 3 3782s. 822s, you get 2 of those. 433, you get 2 of those. 413, 2. Oh, look at that 108. Oh, you guys, that is so sparkly. Oh, look at that. 434, you get 2 of those. 370, 3790, you get 2 of those. 890, you get 2 of the 3799s and 1936. Oh, and look at these. Oh, these are beautiful, you guys. 3816. Let's see. Didn't like me doing that. Let me try to scoot up, you guys. Sorry. Okay, 3816. There we go. 472, 3746, 3750. These are all going to be singles. 935, 301, 155, 826, 498, 794, 3814, 333. Oh, my first 333. 814, 321. Oh, look at that one. That is an AB right there, you guys. Anything above a 150 is an AB. Oh, look at that one. Did you guys see that right off the bat? That purple one? Oh, 119. I love it. Alright guys, that was it. It is called Welcome Home, and I believe it is still in stock, but I will link to it below. Alright, I'll link you to DAC. Remember to always use a coupon with them. Uh-oh, there's another package that's open. Alright guys, take care. We'll see y'all. Bye.